Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
नागं पण करता नाही ना सर ते सारखे पण असते मध्ये हांगा एका पडलो हे ना सांगतो की रॉंग केलं मोदी बोल
आता सध्या तुझं मानायचं कापरून जाय त्यांना चापोय तुम्ही ते प्रिपेअर करून नाडा
चोड असतात कट करून चोड गर्दी पडटा.
We have made some arrangements to start the fish sale with proper distancing and proper arrangements where people can queue up and then they can buy the essential fish items in a proper systematic manner. So there will be 2 queues and from tomorrow we have allowed first phase of these vendors to sit.
So how many fish vendors are there in the market?
At the moment we have allowed around 55 fish vendors to sit with
Timing
proper social distancing.
Timing
We will
कितना?
open the market at 6 a.m. and close it at 1 p.m.
So what about the fish cutting? Will be allowed over here?
At the moment, no other activity other than sale of fish will be allowed. We have done a systematic process of opening all essential commodities. We have given the vegetable vendors of the market the first priority. We have done a lot of social distancing and we have stabilized sale of vegetables by the vendors who are inside the market. Our second phase is opening of fish vendors, which we are starting tomorrow. After that, we will slowly go to meats and fish cutting and other activities. As of now, fish cutting is not that essential. Sale of fish is essential. People who catch fish are not being able to sell their product. We are going to start it now.
एक ओन्ली 55 आम्ही दोनूच लाईन या तुम्ही पहिले असतले 2 लाईन चालू करतले. बॅरिकेड्स आम्ही ऑलरेडी काम चालू आसा, बॅरिकेड्स घालतले. सकाळी 6 ते 1 मार्केट चालू असतले. लोकांक आमचो रिक्वेस्ट आसा की तेंच्यांनी बेश्टी गर्दी करची न्ही. लोक कोणी नुस्तें व्हरपाक तेंच्यांनी एकटोच येवचो. एक आपले 2-3 जाणांक घेवन जावं फॅमिली घेवन हांगा येवचें न्ही. आनी सोशल डिस्टन्सींग मेंटेन करून नुस्तें खरेदी करची. आमी नुस्तेकारांकूय सांगलां कितें करपाचें, कशें बसपाचें तें सांगलां. आनी आतां कमिशनरान सांगलां अशें सगळे आमचे इन्स्पेक्टर पुलिसूय आसतले हांगासर सगळे तांकां मॉनिटर करपाक. आनी मागता लोकां कडेन अपील करता की सगळें सिस्टमॅटीक लोकांक करचें. लोकांचे सोयी खातीर केलां आनी आमची गोंयकार जी नुस्तेकारां आसलीं तांकांय पोट भरपा खातीर हें करचें. फक्त गोंयकारांक आमी आज तांकां पयलो हें दिलां, आमी प्रायोरिटी दिली आनी फक्त 55 लोकांक दिलां. फुडें कशें आसा तें पण फिश कटींग एलाव करतले. मागीर चिकनाचें बी मागीर आमी स्टेप बाय स्टेप आमी मागीर फुडें एलाव करतले विकपाक.